Hi, today I'm reacting to Sans. Fangirl, let's start. Get your bleach ready. This doesn't look like Sans. My eyes. WF is this?
What?
Stop it, okay? No, you're not. What happened to Sans? Even bendy.
What?
Brew. No, just no. Here comes the other one.
The Sans, bitch.
I don't know what she is saying.
I need to tell you, Sans is mine. And
What is wrong with you?
That stays him saying, Sans is mine. They will die. Sans is mine, and only
He hates you.
mine. And if you still Sans for me, I will
I'm
kill
so
you.
scared.
Bendy is also mine, only mine. Sans,
This is
Bendy,
curse.
and me have a baby, and we are going to have sex and have another baby. Stop making videos of changes, man. Or
Fighting's not that easy.
also Bonnie
Bondi?
is man.
Grammarly can help.
Sans and Bendy are only mine.
This is the end. Like for part 2.